Okay, here are the answers for Monday starters. So we've got a top swimmer would be able to swim across a 25-meter pool in about 1/5 of a minute. So how fast can a top swimmer go? And it says we want our answer in meters per minute. So if we can go 25 meters in 1/5 of a minute, and we want our answer to be how many meters in 1 minute. Then to go from 1/5 of a minute to 1 whole minute, we have to multiply by 5. So whatever we do in that denominator, we have to do to the numerator. 25 meters times 5 is going to give us 125 meters in 1 minute. Then the Stevenson family uses up a half-gallon jug of milk every 3 days. At what rate do they drink milk? And we want it in gallons per day. So the gallons go on top. We've got a half a gallon in 3 days. And we want to know how many in 1 day. So to go from 3 days to 1 day, we divide by 3. Whatever we do in that denominator, we do to the numerator. So we've got a half a gallon divided by 3. We make that 3/1, and then we keep the first number. We change that, and we do the reciprocal or the flip, so 1/3. 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6. So we've got 1/6 of a gallon per day. And then we've got this word problem. The overnight low temperature in Cassidy City was negative 17 degrees Fahrenheit. The overnight low temperature in Shakerville was negative 6 degrees Fahrenheit. How much warmer was Shakerville than Cassidy City? And it says to solve this problem, Manny subtracted negative 6 minus negative 17 and came up with an answer of negative 11 degrees Fahrenheit. Is Manny correct? Why or why not? So then we've got our 3 choices. Yes, he's correct. No, the answer should have been 11 degrees Fahrenheit, not negative 11, because Shakersville was warmer. Or no, Manny should have added negative 17 plus negative 6 degrees because Shakersville was warmer. So when you think about this, a thermometer is just like a number line. It just goes vertically. So we've got this vertical number line, and we've got 0 here, and then we're going to say negative 5 is there. So then we've got negative 6, and we're going down to negative 17. So we're looking at the temperature difference between Shakersville, which is up here, and then Cassidy City is down here. So you need to remember as you're coming up to Shakersville that temperature is getting warmer, because on the negative side of the number line, the closer you get to that 0, the warmer the temperature is going to be. So when he did negative 6 minus a negative 17, so we're negative 6, and then we're facing the negative numbers, and we would be going back 17 steps. So we should have a positive 11 degrees not a negative 11 degrees, because Shakersville was warmer. So it was 11 degrees warmer, not 11 degrees colder. So the answer for this one should have been that second answer, because this is 11 degrees warmer than Cassidy City.